Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for October 10th, 2013. It's currently 8:47 a.m. and it is a bit raw out there. It's wet, it's windy, it's just rather disgusting out, especially if you're from New York City on south. Connecticut, you're seeing variable cloud cover to sky cloud cover right now, but that will not be lasting all that long as rain will be building into your locations as well. Temperatures this morning range from the mid to upper 40s over the northern tier, lower to mid 50s over the New York City metropolitan area, and mid to upper 50s over the Philadelphia metropolitan area. We have winds increasing from the northeast, anywhere from 10 to 15 miles per hour, increasing to 10 to 20 miles per hour by this afternoon as our pressure gradient strengthens and our low pressure system intensifies. Now, on the infrared satellite picture, you can basically see a textbook version of a nor'easter developing here, a low pressure system over the coastal waters and the immediate coast of North Carolina. This low pressure system will slowly meander up towards the New Jersey coastal waters over the next 66 hours, producing periods of rain, strong winds, anywhere from 10 to 20 miles per hour, 15 to 30 miles per hour along the immediate coast. And overall, very cool and raw temperatures, with temperatures basically ranging in the upper 50s to lower 60s, a few mid 60s in the Philadelphia metropolitan area. And that can be expected for today, for tomorrow, and even for Saturday as this moisture streams into the region. This high pressure system right here will keep the cool Canadian, or should I say Canadian maritime air mass in the Philadelphia and New York City metropolitan area, and also prevent this storm from exiting out all that soon. On the radar, you can see basically what's happening here. We have waves of rainfall basically rotating in from the Atlantic into the northern mid-Atlantic. Eventually, northeastern Pennsylvania and Connecticut will get into this rainfall as well. It's going to take a little bit more time, probably early afternoon hours. You'll start to see more steady rainfall. The rainfall will continue on and off throughout the Philadelphia and New York City metropolitan areas through today, into tonight, into tomorrow, through tomorrow night, and into Saturday morning. On the water vapor satellite loop, we could clearly see all this tropical moisture out here over the Atlantic streaming into the Philadelphia and New York City metropolitan area. So it's going to be rather wet out here over the northern mid-Atlantic. As some of this moisture streams into the interior, watch out, especially over, let's say, northeastern Pennsylvania and northwestern New Jersey, for some enhancement in that rainfall, producing some rather heavy downpours. And of course, along the immediate coast where we have the best lifting focused as our upper level low really starts to organize itself, we'll also experience very heavy rainfall along the immediate New Jersey coast as well. How much rainfall? Well, here's the latest forecast from the HPC. Now, I think this might be a little bit extreme, 5 inches. But I think as you move towards, let's say, northern Connecticut and the Hudson River Valley, look for anywhere from 1 to 1.5 inches of rain. Northeastern Pennsylvania, look for anywhere from 1 to 2 inches. And everyone from southeastern Pennsylvania on east through Long Island, anywhere from 2 to 3 inches of rain, 4 inches in some localized areas. I don't think we'll get up to that 5-inch mark. I think that's a bit excessive here. But if you're right along the immediate coast, from let's say central Long Island back down through central and southern New Jersey, and also through southeastern Pennsylvania, look for anywhere from 2 to 3 inches of rain with locally higher amounts. It's going to be rather impressive out there with this rainfall. As far as the model guidance over the next couple of days, for today and for tomorrow, we have that low pressure system off the coast. It will remain off the coast with a persistent northeasterly wind. Now that's going to create some coastal flooding, minor to moderate. Basically, tides are going to be 1 to 2 feet above normal. This isn't a major coastal flooding event, but considering the way the beaches are lately, I would suggest being prepared for some minor to moderate coastal flooding, especially along the New Jersey coast. And of course, very heavy rainfall leading to localized flash flooding on the roadways. Use some caution, drive slowly, okay? There's no reason to rush with this type of heavy rainfall. That's how you hydroplane. And of course, visibility is going to be rather poor. On Saturday evening, we'll start to see a decrease in the rainfall. The showers are going to become more scattered in nature. On Sunday, the rainfall will be more widely scattered as you head up towards, let's say, eastern Long Island and towards Connecticut. Those showers will become isolated in nature. We'll see some breaks in the clouds. So conditions will be improving, but our temperatures are going to remain cool, basically around 60 degrees. Southern New Jersey could get to around 64, 65 at times. And as far as low temperatures, basically in the upper 40s to lower 50s over much of the region. By the time we get into Monday and Tuesday and Wednesday, we have high pressure pretty much in control with scattered cloud cover. Temperatures ranging from the lower to mid 60s over the New York City metropolitan area, mid to upper 60s over the Philadelphia metropolitan area. Low temperatures in the upper 40s to lower 50s over the interior, lower to mid 50s along the coast. So we have a bit of a break for the start of next week, but it looks like this weekend is going to be rather raw and wet. That is your forecast discussion for today. Of course, I'm your meteorologist, Stephen DiMartino. Follow the latest weather information at nynjpaweather.com and NYNJPA Weather on Facebook and Twitter. Have a wonderful day. Stay safe out there.